First, find Core Lite, search for it, download it from the internet. Core Lite is an FTP program, file transfer protocol. It will transfer files that you make, web pages, and transfer them to the internet. So I've downloaded the file from Core Lite, and I will install the file. I need to find the file I downloaded. It's in this folder. I double click on it and proceed to install Core Lite. I accept all the default settings and just click Next, and then it is installed. Then I will go ahead and start up Core Lite. Again, it is the file transfer programs that transfers web pages to your website. Here I've given websites out from thefolios.net. That's the website. Each of you have a folder. This folder is called Brain, and also I've named the folder, or the user ID, the username, as the same as the folder. So again, the URL is thefolios.net. That's the website. The username is, on this example, is Brain. Brain at thefolios.net, Chris at thefolios.net, Pam at thefolios.net, and so forth. The passwords will not show up here. I've given you each a password. Once you've typed in those three items, the website, the username, and the password, then press connect, and we'll be connected to the website. You see on the right hand side, that's the remote site or the website. There are already folders and files inside the website that I had transferred earlier from my computer at school. And so back and forth, you got the right side, the left side, you can see the cursor going back and forth. Then right up here you see a dash, or slash I mean, and the slash signifies the root folder. If I double click on a folder, you'll see the name of the folder appear right next to the slash. The yellow items there are folders with the names of the folders, and there are files inside, and there could be folders inside. Now you see brain physiology files up here by the cursor, and that's the new folder. It's in the root folder. The new folder is in the root folder. Click on that little icon there, and you go back to the root directory or upper directory. And there it is. Click on it, go up a directory, back to the root directory, and there are all the folders and the files. The index file is an important file for your website. The index file is the home page. All home pages are named index.html or index.html. That will allow the website to show the page by only typing the website address. Here the website address is thefolios.net, and the website actually sits in the Brain folder. So that index.html file actually sits in a folder called Brain, and I mentioned earlier the Brain folder is actually the root folder for this website. When you use Core Lite, you don't actually see thefolios.net. You go directly into the Brain folder. You don't even see the name of the Brain folder, because the Brain folder is actually the root folder. Again, thefolios.net is the website, and Brain there is the folder. See again, there are the folders inside the root folder of this website. And there's the index file and other files. Here we have Brain Health, and I click on that hyperlink and it goes to a folder that is called Brain Health. You'll see here. See thefolios.net/brain. Oh, it's the file called brainhealth.htm. So I've clicked on a hyperlink and it has taken me to a file, another file in the Brain folder. Go back and let's look for that brain.htm file. They're in alphabetical order. Here, there is the brainhealth.htm, and there you go. This is the page, the same file, but actually the page that we're viewing through the web browser. So brainhealth.htm is the page that we're looking at. On the left-hand side are the folders and files that are on your computer. So you create all your web pages on and save them on your computer. Once you've saved them, created them, put them in a folder, should all put all your files in one folder. Then you transfer the files with this Core Lite program into your website, and your website is thefolios.net/brain or thefolios.net/Chris or thefolios.net/Pam, and that is set up automatically for you, so that when you log in, you're directly into your folder, which is your website address, thefolios.net/brain here for this particular website. So the important thing is to remember where you save all your files for your website on your computer, because when you go into Core Lite, you're going to have to find those files in order to transfer them over to thefolios.net. So here you can see I'm looking for the files because I need to transfer over them. And actually, this computer at home does not have those files, so I'm creating a folder on my computer at home. And I'm going to transfer the files from the website to my computer at home. You can do it that way also. A website contains folders and files, and those folders and files can be put there. They're put there with Core Lite, but they can be taken from Core Lite, copied from onto your computer, and here you're just seeing I'm copying or transferring files from thefolios.net onto my computer, and you can see there they are on the left hand side. And I had only transferred files. And there are all those files there. To connect or disconnect, you click on the file button and just highlight disconnect, and you're disconnected. If you want to connect again, just go up to File, highlight Connect, and click Connect, and you can see the host address, the web address, the username, the password are already in there. Just click Connect, and I see those folders and files pop up again. Disconnect, and that's basically how thefolios.net is used.